There's a lot of buzz in the medical community right now about a potential new treatment for autoimmune disorders like MS and rheumatoid arthritis. It's called gut microbiota transplantation, or in simpler terms, poop transplants. And it might sound gross, but there's a lot of science to back up this out-of-the-box idea. The human gut contains trillions of bacteria that make up what's known as the gut microbiota. These bacteria are important for digestion and have been linked to many aspects of our health, both good and bad. When the gut microbiota is out of whack, it's been implicated in everything from irritable bowel syndrome to obesity to diabetes and autoimmune disorders. That's because the gut microbiota is involved in a process called immune homeostasis, which keeps our immune system in check. It does this by educating our immune cells on what's supposed to be in our body and what isn't. Basically, it trains our immune system to tolerate the good stuff while attacking the bad stuff. But when the gut bacteria are out of balance, this education doesn't happen properly, and the immune system can start attacking the body's own tissues, leading to autoimmune disorders. So one way we might be able to treat these disorders is by restoring the gut microbiota to its proper balance. And that's where the poop transplants come in. By transferring fecal matter from a healthy donor to a recipient with an autoimmune disorder, we might be able to restore that proper balance and put the brakes on the overactive immune system. There are a few different ways that this can be done. In one approach, healthy donor stool is collected and then put into capsules that are taken orally. In another approach, the stool is put into a colonoscopy tube and then directly into the colon. Now, while this might seem like a weird treatment, there's actually quite a bit of evidence that it works. In one study, researchers took stool samples from 10 healthy individuals and 10 people with ulcerative colitis. They then gave 9 of the people with colitis a course of antibiotics to wipe out their gut bacteria, and then they gave them the healthy person's stool. And guess what? The healthy person's stool contained a diverse array of bacteria that the patients lacked, and those bacteria were still present in their guts 4 weeks later. Not only that, but the patients also experienced clinical remission. Now, this was just a small study, so more research is definitely needed. But the results are promising and suggest that gut microbiota transplantation could be a safe and effective treatment for autoimmune disorders. So if you or someone you know is struggling with an autoimmune disorder, talk to your doctor about whether gut microbiota transplantation might be right for you. It might not be a cure-all, but it could definitely be a game changer. And if you want to learn more about the gut microbiota and how it affects our health, stay tuned for more information. We'll see you next time.